What's the meaning of behave? Behave. Behave.
Behave. Behave. The word behave can refer to a variety of actions and behaviors, but generally it refers to how someone conducts themselves in a particular situation. To behave means to act in a way that is appropriate for the situation, whether that be following social norms, adhering to rules and regulations, or simply demonstrating good manners. Behaving correctly often involves showing respect for others and controlling one's emotions and actions. This can include being courteous, polite, and considerate towards others. In other contexts, behaving might mean meeting expectations or standards, such as performing well in school or at work. Ultimately, behaving is about showing self-control and embodying positive qualities that promote success and harmony in various settings.